A state commission wants Attorney General Curtis Hill to lose his law license for 2 years.
That recommendation is part of new documents filed in the disciplinary case against the state's top lawyer. My teammate has obtained those documents. Investigator Stephanie Zepelin is here with what she found in them.
Yeah, Brooke, Phil, as you can imagine, the lawyers for Attorney General Curtis Hill and for the disciplinary commission don't agree on what should happen to Hill. The disciplinary commission recommends Hill lose his license for at least 2 years and then ask permission to get it back. Their recommendation says Hill, quote, grabbed, groped, rubbed and touched professional acquaintances and strangers without their consent, end quote. It goes on to say his actions were deliberate and intentional, that he has failed to acknowledge wrongdoing and has given false testimony in the case. In a separate filing, Hill's attorneys call for the case to be dismissed. It says Hill's conduct, quote, may have been boorish and offensive to some or many, but it was conduct that occurred in a private setting, end quote, and is not connected to his role as an attorney. This all stems from events at an end of legislative session party at a bar back in March 2018. So what happens now? Former Indiana Supreme Court Justice Myra Selby will take both recommendations, then file her report with the current state Supreme Court. The 5 justices will make the final decision. Hill's attorneys told News 8 they expect that ruling in February. A special prosecutor declined to file criminal charges against Hill. Hill has announced he is seeking re-election, but remember, he must have an active law license to serve as Attorney General. Stephanie Zepelin, iTeam 8.